Alright.
Yeah.
We can edit it, pretty much.
Yeah.
Alright, Hannah, you want to do this?
I'm thinking. You showed how the belt went and stopped, did you?
It stopped.
Is it recording my voice?
Yeah, it's recording right now.
Oh, shoot, then you just screwed that up.
No, I can just edit that. Here is our conveyor belt. This is the starting one. Whenever you hit the button, the block is supposed to land like that. And then it continues down the conveyor belt, and it is turned into more like this, with all the shafts and holes and everything like that.
And how we program this is that we took two motors, and then we powered them to certain speeds, and then we put it on a while loop so that this program would continuously run. So if there was more than one block, it would still be able to put them down.